Welcome to the channel where we explore the world's most exciting, powerful, and futuristic cars, bringing you detailed updates, features, and insights in simple and engaging language. Today's spotlight is on the Lamborghini Temerario Update 2026, a supercar that represents the next bold chapter in Lamborghini's legendary journey. This model is designed to replace and redefine what enthusiasts expect from a modern Lamborghini, combining extreme performance, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and unmistakable Italian design. The Temerario is not just a car, it is a statement of speed, innovation, and emotion crafted for those who crave the ultimate driving experience. The Lamborghini Temerario 2026 carries forward the brand's aggressive and dramatic design language while introducing a more futuristic and refined look. The sharp angles, low stance, and wide proportions immediately communicate power and confidence. At the front, the signature Y-shaped LED headlights give the car a menacing expression, while the sculpted hood and aerodynamic air channels improve cooling and downforce. Every line on the body serves a purpose, enhancing airflow and stability at high speeds. The side profile highlights muscular wheel arches and large air intakes that feed the engine and hybrid system, while the rear features an advanced diffuser and striking LED taillights that emphasize its supercar DNA. Lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and aluminum are used extensively to keep the car strong yet agile. Under the skin, the Lamborghini Temerario 2026 introduces a new era of performance. It is powered by a high-revving twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an advanced electric motor, creating a powerful hybrid setup. This combination delivers breathtaking acceleration, instant torque, and an exhilarating engine sound that stays true to Lamborghini's heritage. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also improves efficiency and responsiveness. Power is sent through an advanced